Hello job seekers, welcome to my channel Time to Go Virtual. In this video I am going to show about how to apply for Amazon customer service associate. Yeah, you heard it right, because Amazon is again hiring for customer service role, both for technical and non-technical. I am going to show you how to apply, and also I am going to share the link through which you can apply in the video description. So here I already have this link, so I am directly opening it. The very first, here you will be getting categories and location. Based on your location and categories you can select and apply for the job. So I'm still going to select Hyderabad, and I'm going to see here 3 job roles for customer support. So the very first one is technical support, which is a work from office role, and the second one is virtual technical support, which is a work from home, and third one is virtual customer service, which is also a work from home. Virtual is nothing but work from home, guys. So those who want to work from home, they can apply the below 2 posts, and the first one is for work from office role. You need to view the job description and read all those things, whether it's matching your eligibility criteria or not. And the minimum qualification is 10+2, shift will be rotational, and you can also get benefits like night shift allowance, OT, Zeta meal card every month. And you need to click on apply, and once you click on apply, you will be redirecting to another page, and where you can fill out your personal details. Post filling out your personal details, you will be getting a assessment link instantly, and you have to complete that thing within 48 hours. Once you completed all those round, your application will be in review, and they'll get back to you with the further steps. So hurry up guys, there will be a limited opportunity, so just apply for these roles and get selected for Amazon. I hope you enjoyed these videos. If you do, please like, share and subscribe this video, and please don't forget to press the bell icon to get the notifications on daily updates.